Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And I am home, and I hope you all are having a lovely week. And I'm going to be making more at-home videos, just more simple New York videos, more realistic videos. Yeah, and I hope my divines are well. And I came on here, I wanted to focus on uterine health for myself, and I was like, okay, well, let me share what I'm doing. And so I decided to make an infusion. I was like, let me go ahead and make an infusion. And if you see on my TikTok and my Instagram, I put the herbs I use nettle, and I used red raspberry leaf. I'm also using this tincture because in one of the books that I have, it recommended this tincture, Vitex. I'll put it in the description, of course, as well. I'm always using tinctures all the time. I definitely recommend it. I just was like, okay, I want to focus on uterine health this month. And I was like, let me share it. So we have a video for uterine health. Alright, let me show you what I'm doing over here. So I just basically, well, let me put the camera up. See if we can get the camera up. We have to do more realistic videos, people. Okay, I think it cut me off, but when I was putting it on the oh my goodness, I forgot what you call these things. Anyway, so yeah, I just made a pot. I'm making about, you can make 2 to 3 quarts, but I am making I'm making 2 quarts. So I used, like, again, it's on my TikTok and my Instagram. I used 4 tablespoons of nettle, and I used about 6 teaspoons of red raspberry leaf. Okay, let's see. I could show y'all. See if I can show y'all. Okay, I don't know what happened to my red raspberry leaf. Oh, here it is. So I'm using the red raspberry leaf. I still have the spoon in here, and the nettle, and the Vitex. The Vitex I'm using 2 to 3 times a day. And so this infusion I'll make, and I'll have it during the week. And yeah, I'll drink it during the week. And so it's, it's herbal nourishment, an herbal infusion. And I will let this infuse overnight. And I boil the water. I'll put the recipe in the description, of course. And that is it, divines. This is something that's really good for uterine health, especially uterine fibroids as well. Yeah, and I definitely love nettle and red raspberry just in general for uterine health. And so, I love sharing these things with my divines. And yeah, I just be on the lookout for another video, hopefully later this week. all is well with Mon Talk Avenue so far. And I will definitely check in with my divines. As always, I hope this was helpful. And I want you to be well. And I want you to be true to yourself as always. Peace, divines.